Hello, my name is Rahul Khartode. My video topic is methods of string. The string is the frequency of character. That means string contains the multiple characters and it has the multiple methods like caret method, like length method, like start with method, like ends with method, like to-char array, equal to method, compare to method, and much more methods. I am explaining some of them. First is the caret method. Caret method is to find the character which is present at the index. For example, string s is equal to, in the double quote we write $, and we in the next line we write the sysout s dot caret 3. Then the output is 0 index h, 1 index e, 2 index f, and the third index, that is s. The s is printed on the console. That means when we uses the caret index method, then that the character is printed on the console. Also, second is the length method. When the string is s is equal to $, and we printed the s dot length by using sysout statement, then the output becomes 7, because of the length of the string is 7, that is h1, e2, f3, shine. Likewise, the $, has the 8 characters, so the length of it is 8. Also, next method is the to lowercase method. That means when the string contains the character which are capital in letter, that means for example, we write the string s is equal to, in the double quote we write capital letter $. That means h, e, f, shine, all the letters are in capital, and when we have to write it in small letters, then we can use to lowercase method. So we write the sysout println s dot to lowercase, then it becomes in the small letters. That means the string which is present in the capital letter becomes in the small letters. Also, there is the to uppercase method, which is exactly opposite to the lowercase method. In the lowercase, we print the capital letter into small letters. In the uppercase method, we write the small letters in the capital letter. Next is the to-char array method. When the string contain $, that is, for example, string s is equal to $, and when we have to add any elements in between them, or we have to remove any elements from the character, that is character string, that is $, then we have to use the to-char array. Firstly, we have to convert the string into character array, and then we can remove any element. So we use to-char array. When we write the sysout and write the to-char array, s dot to-char array, then the output is H, E, F, S, H, I, N, E. That is all the letters or all the elements in the string becomes separately or character wise. That's all about methods of string. Thank you.